Usembut Menteri Rangbak Kejela ubah kami iketenat Home Police ubah Presiden Tensong haka arterik naitung ula penpau ubah kejinglong jingman hakitan kaput ke Meghalaya bat Assam kalak ham jai bat kijing persyang ki bakerpang kidang peteng na kebentaban penek ya ka syongsuk syongsyengan haka syenong la pengam. Habakran syakilat pathai kubur ubah Presiden ula ong bakasor kar kalabu ya ka ketempulit basyipor haka syenong la pengam bat labu hadut lai pongut ki bor pulit ki batrekam baru arpusau kenta ban penek ya ka syongsuk syongsyengan. Ula ong banakaliang ka sorkar Asam ru kalabu markumju ki bor pulit syauput usam jongki. Nalor kata ulapan pau ru ke jing skos kem ba ka jinglong jingman kalak ham jai bat pentip ru banakaliang Menteri Rangbak Kejela unsara ya keren ya kini kekam bat Menteri Rangbak ke Asam kenang ban la ban penbet no ya kikam ki badang sakteng. Hooj nakaliang Menteri Rangbak unsa penlong ke jing ya keren bat Menteri Rangbak ke Asam. Om tangkat ta kaladon ru ke jing ya keren hapadeng jongki lengba ke phone halor ke ni kekam ong Deputy Chief Minister. Habakali halor kejing temu ban bu ia ke ketempulit ke banek syirta ubak Presiden ulaong baya kejing la ban penkela ya kini ke ketem syipor syaka ketem ke banek syirta onsa syong bisyar benia hadin ba kejing jai kan wan pai pura. Ulaong ru baya mentahi kini ke ketem basyipor ke temu ban pej na kebenta kejing don kam pekerki ka baya dei bat ki kam syong syengan hapo kini ketan.
It is state border. By and large, it is peaceful. Of course, as far as Lapangat is concerned, again, as I said to you, we have already directed the district administration plus the SP, and we have already created a temporary camp over there. We have about not less than 30 police personnel who working there for 24/7, and even from Assam side they did the same way. So I'm very sure now the situation is improving a lot. That of course the CM will take it up with the counterpart CM of Assam, and not only that, even over telephonic discussion was there. CM has already discussed. I can't say right now because, as I said, temporary camp has been created. So let us see once the situation is calm down and once the situation is totally conducive, then again we will revisit whether temporary can be converted into permanent.